Yes, we are having a baby girl. We are so excited. We found out last week and we've been kind of wrestling with how to announce it to you guys. I don't know why, but a gender reveal is kind of out of our wheelhouse, or like out of my comfort zone. I love watching gender reveals, like the videos that you see that come through on your Facebook feed. I can get sucked into those videos forever, but actually doing a gender reveal, I can't even remember what we did for Benjamin. Like, how did we tell you guys? Just like, oh, by the way, we're having a boy.
Probably.
Yeah, I can't remember. So we wanted to do something that was celebratory, but still relevant to a gardening channel. Hence the fairy garden gender reveal. It was really fun. Honestly, it took about 15 minutes to film this video and about 2 hours to make this tiny little garland to put on this little arbor, swing arbor, which one of you guys sent out. Super fun. So anyway, yeah, I don't know that there's much I want to talk about in terms of the fairy garden. I mean, I used a fern, a viola, and another fern. Fern, viola, another fern. I probably won't keep this fairy garden together for a whole long time. Maybe I'll take it down to the garden center or something. But I do want to show you guys what I went out and bought, like within the hour of finding out we were having a girl. Okay, I know this isn't like a clothes channel, but oh my gosh. Look at how cute these are. I thought for sure we were gonna have another boy, which I was super excited, and I don't know why I felt that way, except for I've loved Benjamin, like having Benjamin, and I've loved the fact that he was a boy. I don't know, like I was really excited that we had a boy first, and I just thought, oh, it'd be really fun to have another little boy. Benjamin would love that. When we told him that he was gonna have a sister, this was his reaction. Like, I'm serious, like nothing. It didn't even faze him. And he has been like, I don't think he really understands. Look at how cute. I don't think he really understands what's going on. He has been saying that the baby's going to be his best friend. Look at the sleeper. It's so cute. Hey, Russell, what are you doing? But he will soon realize what's going on, and we're super excited. So anyway, we just thought this would be a really fun way to announce it. Russell, is he like all up in the way of the camera here?
A little bit.
Are you, Russell? Hey, and you're showing your bum. That's gross. Gross. Come on. So yeah, our due date is in January. I think I've already said that. It's just right after Benjamin's birthday. It's kind of a good time of year, totally unplanned that way, but a good time of year to have a baby for us because it's completely on our off season. So we can really focus on Benjamin and focus on the new baby in the first, few months before things really cut loose outside. So that is really, really nice. And I do feel better than I did in the first few months. First few months I was super sick and nauseous, and it was right during our most busiest time of the entire year, and that was really tough. And then also I've had super bad rib issues, and I still am. So I have ribs out all the time on my right side. It happened when I was pregnant with Benjamin, and he was lodged up under my ribs, and so I have to go in a couple times a week and get my ribs put back in place, and they usually pop out right after I get home. So anyway, it's a little bit of a tender thing, but I know that there's this immensely bright light at the end of the tunnel, so it really doesn't bother me that much. So anyway, we're just enjoying this time, and we're super excited to be able to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a really great day, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.